Welcome back. Today I have a super fun, delicious recipe, vegan gluten-free macaroni salad. Let's get started. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, and it's delicious. Here's what you'll need. Gluten-free elbow pasta, plant-based mayo, red onion, celery, carrots, sweet peppers, sweet gherkin pickles, apple cider vinegar, and salt. First things first, let's get the pasta cooking. Bring a pot to boil and add a teaspoon of salt. Cook your pasta according to the package directions. Mine will take 8 minutes. You want to stir gluten-free pasta frequently to prevent sticking. Just be careful not to overcook. Gluten-free pasta has a tendency to fall apart when overcooked. Once it's perfectly cooked, drain it and cool it down with some cold water. This will stop the cooking process. Then set aside for now. While the pasta is cooling, let's prep our veggies. Start by chopping up the red onion. You really can use any onion you have on hand. Now clean and chop your celery. Celery adds that bitter crunch to that salad. Next, slice your carrots into bite-sized pieces. For this recipe, I'm using baby carrots. Now let's prep the cute little sweet peppers for a little crunch. I like to cut the stems on the end, remove the seeds, and then slice and chop into bite-sized pieces. Finally, drain the juice from the jar and slice your sweet gherkin pickles. This will add that sweet kick. Now let's portion out that plant-based mayo, and then add the apple cider vinegar. Now it's mixing time. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients: pasta, mayo, red onions, celery, carrots, sweet peppers, pickles, and vinegar. Mix it all up until everything is well coated and delicious. I love using my 16-inch stainless steel bowl to mix all my salad side dishes. It really gives you that room to thoroughly mix the salads. Transfer your pasta salad into a container and pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This will let all those amazing flavors melt together. And there you have it, a vibrant gluten-free vegan pasta salad that's perfect for any cookout. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more yummy vegan recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Check my website for a full printable recipe, and most of the products and ingredients I used are linked in the description below. And I'll see you next time.